Yeah, and this is Nico, this is John. I'm
Hello.
coming back. Yeah, I had some problem with my ears in the last 3 days. Yeah, today Nico will explain you everything today, and I will just be silent today. But I want to come to say hi to you guys because I miss you. The last live show I was not here because I had illness. I had some problems with my ear. It quite hurted. So I just went to the hospital. And now everything is okay. I come back to the live show. Okay, please come to our live show about assemble and disassemble the mobile phone. I hope you guys enjoy the live show. And now it's R&Q time. Do you have any questions, guys? We will leave like 5 minutes for you guys to answer your questions. Yeah. Thank you for coming to our live room, and we really enjoy to spend time with you guys.
Yeah.
And maybe see you next time.
Next week, yeah.
See you next time. Okay.
See you.
Bye. See you
Bye-bye.
guys. Bye bye.